Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements. Today we've got this nice armoire that we're going to redo, so follow along. Alright, it's pretty worn down, but I think we can save it. A lot of decor here, which makes it really hard to paint, but we're going to give it a try. So, it's a folding door, a regular door over here, 2 drawers on the bottom. We're going to pull all the hardware off, pull all the drawers out, check the subframe, and then we can start sanding, painting, scuffing, waxing. We'll see what it looks like at the end. So let's get started. Alright, we got our DeWalt sander. Sand the piece down, all the drawers, all the doors. And then we can start cleaning this piece up, getting it ready for paint. 80 grit sandpaper on our DeWalt sander. So let's get started. Alright, we got our Glidden flat paint here. It's a robin's egg color, so man, this paint's really done well for us, so we're going to try it again on this set. So we have this armoire, in another video we'll have the dresser. I'm going to use this for the decor front side of the doors, and then I'll stick with my old edge angle brush here to do the piece. So let's get started. 2 coats, and then we'll scuff it up. Alright, we are to a point where we've painted it. Now we're going to scuff it up. Now for some of you might want to leave it solid. That's perfectly fine. You can go right into waxing, putting the hardware on. But for with Vintage Statements, we're going to use our old sandpaper that we did use to sand the piece down, and we're going to give it some scuff marks, give it a worn in vintage look. So let's get started. Alright, painted, scuffed, vacuumed off. Make sure you definitely, after sanding it, wipe it down, vacuum it out, make sure you get all the dust out. So now we can start adding our wax. We're going to use our Varathane natural wax, or a natural finish, finishing wax here. We're going to go over all of it, and then we can start putting the hardware on. So let's get started. Alright, here it is completed. Robin's Egg from Glidden paint. It was a flat paint. We took our hardware off, we sanded this piece down, we painted it twice, we scuffed it up, we waxed it, we put it back together, and well, the transformation speaks for itself. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep doing some pretty cool projects.